currently studying a Certificate 3 in Engineering Technical. I decided to do this course as I really enjoyed CAD, which is the computer-aided drafting. What I like most about the course is our facilities here. So we have 3D printers, which we can use from anything such as printing chess pieces to printing prototypes for an engine or a car. We got a laser cutter, so we can use anything from etching to engraving to cutting, which we can make tools, set squares for our drawing with metal and other physical features like that. My career plans for the future are to pursue further within my studies at SMTAFE and go forward with doing a diploma in civil engineering and construction and hopefully pursue a career from there.